Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to dive into another fascinating topic.
Always excited to explore new ideas.
Me too. And today we're all about diversification.
Diversification, huh? Sounds pretty financial heavy.
It is, but get this, the insights we're looking at today come from an investment guide, but they apply to way more than just money.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
Ah,
So what's the big takeaway? Don't put all our eggs in one basket.
uh-huh, exactly. But this guide goes way deeper than that. It's not just about spreading investments around, it's about doing it strategically. It's like, yeah, we all know the saying, but this guide actually tells us how to build those baskets.
So it's actionable advice. I like that. And what kind of strategies does it suggest?
Well, first off, it really hammers home the point that diversification reduces the impact of, well, any single investment tanking. Like when the market takes a dip, having a diversified portfolio can really ease the stress.
That makes sense. So it's about managing risk and maybe our emotional reactions too.
Bingo. The guide actually talks about that too. It digs into the psychology of investing and how we can avoid those knee-jerk reactions.
Oh, you mean like panic selling when things get rough?
Exactly. The guide suggests setting clear financial goals up front so that when things get shaky, you don't lose sight of the long game.
Smart. Having a plan can definitely help you stay on track. Anything else about managing those emotional roller coaster rides?
It also recommends something pretty interesting, setting aside a little fun money for higher risk investments.
So, like a little playground for the adventurous side of our portfolio.
Exactly. It's about satisfying that urge to take risks without putting your whole financial stability on the line.
Now, that's an approach I can get behind. So, is this guide purely focused on traditional investments?
It covers a lot of ground, actually. And it has a really interesting section on crypto and how diversification works in that space.
Crypto. I know some folks are really into it, but I'll admit I'm still wrapping my head around it.
Me too, to be honest. But the guide breaks it down in a way that's really accessible, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out.
Okay, good to know. So, how does diversification apply to crypto?
Well, let's talk about altcoins first. Essentially, altcoin just means any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin.
Oh, right, like Ethereum and all those others I hear about.
Exactly. And instead of going all in on a single altcoin, the guide recommends spreading your investment across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then maybe exploring some other altcoins from different sectors of the crypto market.
Hold on, different sectors, you're losing me a bit there.
Think of it like this. In the crypto world, there are different sectors like DeFi, NFTs, and those metaverse projects everyone's talking about. Each sector has its own unique risks and rewards. So by diversifying within crypto, you're essentially spreading your bets across these different areas, tapping into the growth potential of the broader crypto ecosystem.
So it's like diversifying within diversification. I like it. It really does sound like that don't put all your eggs in one basket idea, but for crypto.
Yeah, the analogy holds up. But here's the thing, the guide goes even further and emphasizes that diversification isn't limited to crypto.
Really? Where else does it take us?
It dives into other asset classes, like stocks and bonds. It even suggests looking at different market capitalizations within stocks.
I'm not sure I follow. What's market capitalization?
It basically refers to the size of a company.
Huh.
You've got your large cap stocks, which are generally more stable. Then there are small cap stocks with higher growth potential. And mid cap stocks offer a bit of a blend between the two.
I see. It's like building a well-rounded team where each player brings their own strengths and weaknesses to the table.
Perfect analogy.
Ugh,
But let's be realistic, no investment strategy is foolproof.
you got it. And the guide acknowledges that too. It's very clear that diversification doesn't eliminate risk entirely. It's about managing that risk intelligently because every investment comes with some level of risk. Diversification just helps us mitigate those risks.
So to bring it all together, diversification is a powerful tool for building a portfolio that can withstand those market fluctuations. Plus, it gives us that peace of mind we all crave, knowing that we're not putting all our eggs in one basket.
Couldn't have said it better myself. But what really struck me was the guide's suggestion to apply this principle beyond just finances.
Yeah, there was that intriguing section about diversifying our skills, our relationships, and even our experiences.
Exactly. It made me think about how we can create a more balanced and fulfilling life by spreading our energy and focus across different areas. It's like instead of putting all our energy into one pursuit, we can explore different paths, build diverse connections, and embrace a wider range of experiences.
Wow, that's a powerful thought. It's like diversification isn't just a financial strategy, it's a life strategy.
Absolutely. It makes you wonder how can you diversify your life to boost your overall well-being? It's definitely something to ponder.
That's a fantastic question for all of us to consider. Thanks so much for diving into this. With me, it's been a truly eye-opening exploration of diversification. I'm sure our listeners will find these insights just as valuable as I have.
Absolutely. Always happy to chat about these thought-provoking ideas.
Until next time, everyone, keep those minds curious and those portfolios diversified.
And remember, diversification is about more than just money. It's about building a richer and more resilient life.
Could agree more. See you all in the next deep dive.
See ya!